You're listening to the E-Commerce Minute, your daily dose of e-commerce and tech news, presented by Sumo Heavy. Here's your host, Bart Mraz.
This is the E-Commerce Minute for Wednesday, September 20th, 2017. Virtual shopping with IKEA Place.
Swedish meatball purveyor and home goods seller IKEA launches IKEA Place, a new app that allows people to virtually place furniture in their home. The new augmented reality application will let people experience, experiment, and share how good design transforms any space, such as a home, office, school, or studio. Built on Apple's new AR kit, the free app helps people virtually place IKEA products in their own spaces. From sofas and armchairs to footstools and coffee tables, the products in IKEA Place are 3D and true to scale, so they will give people an accurate impression of the furniture's size, design, and functionality in their home. In addition to digitally placing IKEA products in a room, the app allows people to capture the setting in the app and share as an image or video with friends. They can then purchase the products directly through their local IKEA website. At launch, 2,000 products will be available on the app, and the number will grow continuously as IKEA aims for all future product launches to be released in the app. AR Kit gives us the opportunity to help shape the development of AR as an accessible tool for real-life decision-making, says Michael Valsgaard, leader of digital transformation at IKEA Systems. The app will be available in the App Store starting in late September. Users will need iOS 11 to enjoy this app.
Yeah, I like it. I mean, they've tried all this stuff before, but with AR Kit, it definitely makes it a better thing. Yeah, I mean, furniture's perfect example for AR.
Yeah, we've been saying that. Furniture is absolutely the perfect example for this. And I looked at some of the old YouTube videos, and IKEA's been messing around with this AR for a few years now. I found a video from 2013 where you could use their catalog app, scan a page, which I guess is served as like a QR code, and you could pick items to stick on your screen. The difference being you couldn't twist them around, you couldn't move them. It was just like a flat static picture, and you would just kind of have to use your mind's eye to figure out, if this thing would look nice in your room. Now we've gone that final step where with the new IKEA Place app, you come into the room, you scan the room with the app, so it basically figures out the coordinates of the room, bring in the item, and it'll scale perfectly to the size of the room, which I think is really impressive.
Yeah, and then you can scale it. It has like all the shadows and stuff like that, which is kind of cool. And
that's really neat because that gives you it gives your mind a better impression of what it's actually going to look like instead of a flat picture pasted over top of another picture.
Exactly, and it's sort of what we talked about today. It's like furniture shopping with Lazy Boy. Remember that, like putting Lazy Boy in, and it kind of makes it sense, right? The only thing you don't feel obviously how comfortable it is, which is
that's the other thing. Then again, you're talking about IKEA, so the stuff is more utilitarian than you don't go, oh, that was the most comfortable IKEA sofa. It was like, look at this fashionable, not expensive sofa that I got for my apartment. So.
Yeah, I mean, they got better and over the years.
Mm-hmm.
Some of the stuff is really comfy. I still own a whole bunch of IKEA stuff.
So do I. I'm a man of a certain age, and I'm still buying IKEA furniture, so that says a lot about me, I guess. I don't know.
Your place is not going to be leather and Lazy Boys.
No, my place is IKEA, and
it's a little more modern than that. It's good.
Exactly. Okay, so look for the IKEA Place app available in your app store.
I think just
late
look for
September.
more
I'm going to try this out when it comes out. I'm still working on updating my phone, so baby steps.
Already there. I just downloaded it while we were talking.
I just have too much crap on my phone. All right. Anything else to add?
And that's it.
All right. That's your e-commerce minute for today. We'll see you on the internet tomorrow. That's it for today. If you like the show, make sure you add us as a favorite and share this with your friends. Please follow us on social media at Sumo Heavy. And finally, if you've got a question, comment, or suggestion for the show, call us on Anchor. Until next time, we'll see you on the next e-commerce minute.
The podcast you just heard was recorded with Anchor. If you want to make your own, download the Android or iOS app completely free from anchor.fm/podcast. That's anchor.fm/podcast.